Hi, I'm Kristy-Lee Burns, Head of Family Law at Owen Hodge Lawyers. Today I'm speaking with Kathryn Fantov from Innovative Property Advocates. Kathryn, what is a seller's advocate and how does it differ to a real estate agent?
Thanks, Kristy. So a seller's advocate is someone who has an intimate knowledge of the buying and selling process. They are a qualified industry professional, typically an ex-real estate agent, who has experience in the industry and works exclusively for the seller and takes a more holistic approach to the sale process. There are a couple of ways that we differ from a real estate agent. Firstly, unlike a real estate agent who deals with a buyer and seller in a negotiation, we act exclusively for the seller, so there is never a conflict of interest. Secondly, we actually help the seller choose the real estate agent. So instead of the seller having to spend time doing research, interviewing real estate agents, we actually take away all the stress of doing that and take care of it ourselves. So Kristy, do you often find in a family law situation that parties cannot agree on which agent to use?
Good question, Kathryn. Yes, I am often confronted with parties who question me about the process of selecting an agent for the property to be sold, and often parties are in dispute about who nominates the agents and who elects the agents. It's general practice that one party will elect 3 agents and the other party will pick one, but the problem being is that sometimes there's a suggestion of bias about the particular agents being nominated. So how, Kathryn, do you assist in this process of selecting an agent?
So unfortunately, in a divorce situation, the communication can break down and the parties find it hard to agree on a real estate agent. One party might have this preferred agent and the other party has this preferred agent. So what we do is we come in, we will interview each preferred agent, plus we will introduce a third agent that we have researched independently. We do not align ourselves with any agent in particular. They all go through the same strict interview process. During the interviews, we know exactly what questions to ask. We speak agent to agent. It's all facts and no fluff. From there, we sit down with the sellers with a written report and we make a decision collectively on which agent is best to go with. We negotiate a competitive selling fee. We review the marketing, making sure they're not overspending on things that they don't need. And we deal directly with the agent throughout the whole process. Good communication is the key to our success in these situations. Both parties feel equally informed and involved. We never favour one party over the other. This is the key to achieving a successful outcome. So Kristy, do you think a service like this would alleviate the stress of couples going through a divorce situation?
Yes, Kathryn, I think a service such as yours would be helpful to those parties who in particular have disagreements about almost every aspect of the sale of the property, including the selection of the agent, right through to whether we agree on the sale price attained. One question I will inevitably be asked though is, how does a seller's advocate charge?
Engaging our services doesn't cost the seller any more than they would already be paying without engaging us. This is because we take a small percentage of the agent's commission upon settlement. It's known in the industry as a referral fee or an introduction fee and is very common when 2 agents are working together. Contrary to what you might be thinking, agents actually really do enjoy working with us and they see the value because we take away the stress of them having to deal with the seller, which leaves them free to do what they do best, and that is marketing the property and dealing with the buyers.
Thanks very much, Kathryn. And in summary, sellers' advocates are clearly someone who are able to assist parties who are in dispute about the sale process, from the election of an agent through to whether the sale price that's proposed is a fair market value. So, on behalf of Owen Hodge Family Law Department, if you wish to discuss this matter or find yourself in dispute over the sale process, please don't hesitate to contact us, 1800 770 780. Bye for now.